Assalamu alaikum and welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed that what a person is. Clear? We discussed that a person is an entity. Entity means any identification. So anything that has identification, whether visible or non-visible, touchable or untouchable, whatsoever it is, whether it is real or just fictional, they all are persons. Am I cleared? Let's say I have one sweater. Sweater is what? Definitely it is a person because it has got its own identification. And definitely Dr.Shoaib Kakar, advocate, he's also a person. Clear? Because he has got his own identification. And what about devil? Yeah, of course, devil has got his own identification. Devil may be his or her. So let's see, we don't know about his gender. Fine. So whatsoever the thing is, whether it is fictional even, there are fictional stories that are roaming in our minds and they have fictional names and identifications. So if they have identification, we would call them entity, and every entity is a person. We already have discussed. So there are basically three types of persons, that is number one, first person, number two, second person, and number third, obviously third person. Clear? So how would you define first person? Clear? So first person has always been defined as the speaker. Clear? The one who speaks. Speaker, or the one who speaks. We can add some more terms here. The one who indicates, the principal one who talks. Clear? So who is first person? The one who talks, the one who indicates, the principal one, the dictator. You can use any term. Clear? And there are two main first persons, that is I and we. I is the singular form. However, we is the plural form, and we do have a second person. What is second person? Think for a while. Yeah, you have guessed it right, that second person is the listener. Am I right? Okay, fine, you're right. Second person is the listener who listens to the first person, but there is an ambiguity. If there are more than one guys and you are talking to one guy only, let's suppose there are A, B, C, and D, E, F. There are F guys and you are going to talk to E only. And you are talking to E and you are saying, how are you, E? How are you? When you say, how are you? What do you think? Who is going to reply you? Obviously, only E would reply. When E replies, so only E would be the second person. What about the rest of the persons who are sitting there? Aren't they the second persons? Because they're also listening. Okay, so there is some technical problem. We have to overcome that. Clear? So instead of saying that it is the listener, instead of saying second person is a listener, use the term. Yeah, which term would you use? Think for a while. Yes, the indicated one. Which one? Indicated. Who is the second person? The indicated one. The one to whom the first person directly talks or indicates. Clear? The indicated one is the second person, and that is you, obviously. And the indicated one may be the listener as well. Clear? And here we got the third form or the third type of person, that is third person. And what do you think, who is third person? Again, don't be very much perplexed about. It's quite simple. Third person is the one about whom first and second talk. Who is third person? About whom first, okay, I would use first and second talk. Clear? So any entity about whom first and second talk is called third person, and third persons are he, she, it and any singular name or plural name, or you may simply say names, okay? And names, and obviously they. Clear? So these are the basic three types of persons. The one who speaks, the speaker, the indicator, is termed as first person. The one who is not only the listener but the indicated one is also termed as the second person. And the third one is, yes, about whom first and second talk. Like, okay, guess what is first person in this video? Yes, you guessed it right, because I'm the speaker, I'm talking to you people, so I'm the first person. Who is second person here? Obviously, I'm not talking to one person only, I'm talking to you all. That's why you people are the second person. And who is third person here? Just guess. Yes, who is third person? Yes, you guessed it right. We all are talking about person, the types of person. So the types of person itself is the third person, because we know what is third person, about whom first and second talk. Hopefully the sense is cleared. Thank you so much. See you people inshallah in next video.